What's the meaning of bogeyman? Bogeyman. Bogeyman.
Bogeyman. Bogeyman.
The term bogeyman refers to a mythical creature, often used as a figure of speech to represent an imaginary or exaggerated threat. It is typically used to scare children into behaving properly, with the threat that the bogeyman will come and get them if they misbehave. The image of the bogeyman varies across cultures, but it is generally portrayed as a malevolent entity that preys on children who do not obey their parents or other authority figures. In modern times, the term is often used more broadly to refer to any perceived or imagined threat, whether it be real or imaginary.